Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, Hiqma. Good afternoon, everyone. So today I will explain about the parallel murder. First is the analysis of the case study. What were the events that occurred during the parallel murder crisis? The case revolves around the poisoning deaths caused by cyanide-release extra-strength Tylenol capsules, and the incident resulted in a major public relations crisis for Johnson and Johnson. Who involved in the case study? First is the Johnson and Johnson as the company, James Aberg as the chairman, and the terminal users. Why did the terminal murders happen? The motive behind the poisoning is the unknown, but it led to widespread fear and distrust among consumers regarding the safety of terminal products. And when the incident or the crisis happened, for the round one, it happened on 13 September 1982, and the round two is happened on 10 February 1986. And where did the incidents happen? The case primarily took place in Chicago and also in the Yonkers, New York. And last is how did Johnson and Johnson handle the crisis? Johnson and Johnson handled the crisis by being transparent, recalling products, and their proactive and transparent approach help to rebuild the consumer trust, and they regained a significant market share despite the challenge. And next, this is the answer for the question that on the module. Question number one is what might have been the consequence if Johnson and Johnson had decided to talk out the first report of Tylenol-related deaths and not recall the product? Uh, First is people would lose trust in the company for not caring about safety. Second is sales of Tylenol and other products will drop and it can hurting the profits. And the third is lawsuits and fines could damage the company reputation and money. And the question number two is, what other public relation option did Johnson and Johnson have in responding to the first round of Tylenol murders? First is limited recall. They could have recalled only capsule from the Chicago area where the initial poisonings occurred. And the second, uh, introducing temper evidence cells that earlier implementation of temper evidence cells could have shown proactive safety measures. And question number three is, do you think the company made a wise decision by reintroducing extra strength Tylenol? The company made a wise decision by reintroducing extra strength Tylenol by implementing safety cells, temper system packaging, and so that they address the issue and regain consumer trust. And this result in the market share recovery. And question number four is, in light of the response of other companies and not to move precipitously when faced with a crisis, do you think Johnson and Johnson should have acted so quickly to remove the Tylenol product when the second round of the Tylenol murder occurred in 1986? Johnson and Johnson decision to cease production of over-the-counter medication in capsule form was justified. The safety of consumer must always be prioritized, even if it involves significant financial loss and operational change. And acting swiftly to protect public health and prevent further harm was the responsible course of action. And question number five, what specific lesson can be derived from the way in which Johnson and Johnson handled the public relation aspect of these tragedies? Specific lesson from how Johnson and Johnson handled the public relations aspect of these tragedies include transparency and openness, rebuilding trust, and putting customer safety first over financial concern is paramount for long-term trust and success. And question number six is, what was the media environment when the terminal crisis occurred? How might the results have differed if the crisis occurred today? The media environment during the terminal crisis was traditional news outlets such as newspaper, television, and radio, social media, and in the internet as we know them today, not exist at the time. The result might have differed if the crisis occurred today. Information, but accurate and inaccurate, was spread rapidly, potentially amplifying panic and misinformation. And the last one is, see what information Johnson and Johnson offer for its customer on the terminal website. Follow the link to the care parts, host calls, and box section. How do this section demonstrate Johnson and Johnson concern for customers? How do you think Johnson and Johnson would use this website to communicate with the public if you had scale surface? The terminal website demonstrates the company commitment to customer safety and communication. Section like care cards, house calls, and box provide valuable information and support to customers. In the event of new healthcare, if the surface, Johnson and Johnson would likely use this platform to provide real updates, safety interaction, and avenue for customer feedback. And I think that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.